Good morning. Happy Transformation Tuesday, everyone. So, this is my transformation. It's not really a transformation, but I've had a Peloton for a while. But with moving, I just put it back together, getting the shoes, all the things, storage, blah, blah, blah. I actually didn't get my shoes out of storage. I just used my regular shoes. Don't do that because it's not safe. But anyway, so my little quote unquote transformation is this is my second day in a row starting my workout in the morning. One, because I have cardio. Two, because Bay will be moving here, transferring schools. So we will be back together. And then I have cardio and working out. So I'll be working out during working hours and then doing my cardio in the morning. Can roll right out of bed and hop on the Peloton. Anyway, I have to hurry up, but I wanted to do this unboxing video so I can edit it on the way up to this little work trip I have. So I got a bunch of mail and yeah, let's go with it. This right here, this baby, y'all know I don't need this, but I do. I mean, I'm a competitor, like seriously. How can you not have enough water bottles? So this water bottle right here is a 64 ounce. It's from Ice Shaker. Love it. But the one thing, just like coffee travel mugs, the one thing that makes or breaks a water bottle or a coffee mug for me is how the top is made. Now, this top is actually pretty good. I like the way it opens. I like the way I can hold it. But it's a, I don't even know how to describe it. It's a suction top. So I drink faster and more than the straw in the inside allows because it suctions as I'm drinking. So then you have to release it. And when I'm thirsty, I'm trying to drink my water. First world problems, but it causes me to drink less water than I want to do on a daily basis. So I saw a girl at the gym with this water bottle and it looks so huge, but it was because I was used to carrying my half a gallon. So this is a gallon. I got it on Amazon and it came with two tops, which that's a plus. Two tops. This is the twist top, but one, it never releases fully, so I don't have to worry about losing it, but it twists just like a regular like twist top. Thought that was cool with the handle. And then it also comes with the one that's on here. Y'all don't talk crap about me because this water bottle only looks ginormous in comparison to that one, but it's a regular gallon. And all my gallon jugger carriers, y'all know. Look at this beauty. Look at it, guys. It's so pretty. So the company is Iron Flask and it's stainless steel, so it keeps your stuff cold. And it comes with and I can already tell by how this straw is made, it's not gonna be like a suction straw that stops me from drinking more than what I want. It comes with two straws. And so I'm actually going to wash this out and carry it with me on this trip. So yeah, and the crazy thing is, it was only $64, right? $64.99, I think. Excuse me. So yeah, if you're looking for a new water bottle, they have half gallons as well. And this is the difference of the sizes. This is a half a gallon of the Ice Shaker, and this is the gallon. I don't know how much the half gallons are. Obviously, I'm assuming that it's cheaper than the gallon. But yeah, it was only $64.99, and it's the girl that I saw in the gym with this that I asked her about it. Hers was a pretty like cotton candy color, so that's pretty cool. But y'all know my red and black. Those are my colors. All right, so next thing I got is from Nia the Lock God. So it is a small business hair product company for locks, but I mentioned before I bought this stuff for Bay and I used it before I had locks, so it definitely can be used on natural hair with or without locks. But yeah, it's a small owned a small black-owned company. And y'all, this girl is, I think, I don't know exactly when she started the company, but when I found out about her, I think she was like 18 maybe, or maybe that's when she started. And I want to say she just turned 21, and just watching her journey in life, you know, because obviously at 18, you know, 18-year-old things going on, you know, mentally, but then starting your own business, you know, it's just nice to see people at such a young age. All right, so what I got was, so it is her new line, same products as I had before, just a different scent. So this is the chamomile lavender peppermint Lock God hydration spray. Anyway, and then this is the chamomile lavender peppermint stimulating oil. All right, so what I do is I use the hydration spray to spray my hair. I spray that probably, if not every day, because I have to put my hair up for work. So typically every day, because I don't like to put my hair up when it's dry. And then the stimulating oil, probably 2 to 3 times a week. And then I have like one of those, looks like a claw vibrating massage hair things that I use on my scalp. And then I put a little bit this in my hand, rub it, and then do like my hair. But I like her product, and they smell good and they feel good. All right, what's next? This is, y'all. Oh, ooh, this. I'm not gonna show y'all that. This is my sample product for my business. Yeah, I gotta wait on that. So guys, I ordered some Crocs. So before y'all come for me, let me tell y'all. Before Nicki Minaj put y'all on Crocs, I have had, where are my Crocs? Oh, they're right here. I have had my Crocs. Y'all see how dirty? I've had my Crocs probably for about 10 years now. They have always been my either shoes that I keep at the front door because I use them to walk the dog, or the shoes that I use to run outside or go to the gym because I don't like wearing my lifting shoes outside. It's an athlete thing. Like when I say athlete thing, like before I did bodybuilding, athlete thing. I've never worn track shoes or basketball shoes outside. I don't know what kids do nowadays, but I never did. It was like a huge thing. So that habit just continued on with me. So yeah, so I needed some new ones. So Crocs have always been in my life. Y'all seem to just have found out about them, because that's why I think it's funny how the world works, because people used to talk crap about people that wore Crocs. I mean, some of y'all still do, but then Nicki Minaj go wear them, and then everybody and their mama was like, oh my God, Crocs. So I think it's funny. But anyway, got these Crocs. So I've had these before the same amount of time. I think I got these the same time I've had them. I think 2013 is when I bought these, and I actually broke them. These are my little Croc flip-flops. I use these in the same manner. It's just a matter of the weather. Oh, so excited. So I don't know if you remember the very first video I did. I was talking about, oh, they got this for me. I was talking about how I don't need any more headbands and turbans and all the things, because yeah, I don't use them all and they're all in a bag. It's not that I don't use them all, it's just because they're all in a bag and I can't remember to get to them because they're all in the back in the closet. But when we move, I'm gonna get all set up, y'all. This particular one is from You Go Natural, and this is the quote unquote nighttime one. It's satin on the inside and it's like a little cute silky pattern on the outside, and you can put it on. I typically flip my hair over and put it up like this so I don't have to lay on my hair. tuck it in there, y'all. If you wanted over your ears or on top of your ears or whatever. And you literally just take it like this, and probably could have did a better job, but y'all get the drift, y'all get it. And it's like a cute little nighttime satin ordeal. And so the reason why I prefer these, well, one, the reason why I wanted Bay to get this for me is I want to spend my own money, but but right now I have a bonnet that I got from the place that did my locks, and my hair is getting fuller and longer, so that bonnet is not going to be good enough in a few more months. Oh, it also has a an adjuster on it, so that's good. This is two adorbs. They were so out of the black and navy blue. That was the colors that I wanted. But anyway, this will do. And what did I get from the Shoeberry? I think these are just some socks. Yes. So socks, and I needed the foot pads. So I have a very narrow foot. So if you are the same, the Olympians are amazing for narrow feet. And then obviously as time goes on in the shoe, these right on that foot pad, like right underneath the ball of the foot, it gives that extra lift, so it makes them nice and snug. Because I have pretty much all the Olympians, but I definitely prefer the mule. Easy on, easy off. I think they look cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear this season. I have the, I forgot what they're called, but it's the mule with the double strap. I have those as well. Love them, but I particularly got these for that because my Olympia mules already have this in there. And boop, boop, boop. My bikini. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all, you know. My weights. Not that it's a surprise, but you know, I might wait. Oh, okay. This was, it's just a sample bikini top. We're going through the rigmarole with finding the perfect top for me. I got a lot of stuff going on. Really tiny, narrow waistline back ratio thing going on, but the boobs are a little bit fuller and compared to the size of my back. So they sent me a sample top of a different, not pattern, a different cut, because I want to try this particular cut and see how that works for me. So that was it. It's not my actual bikini. I forgot about this process I needed to do. Boop, boop. A great Tuesday.